Hello kids, can you guess the opposites? Sun, opposite word moon. Yes. Hot, cold. Run, opposite word walk. Sit, opposite stand. Big, small. Yes. Up, down. Can you think of any other opposites? Okay, bye bye kids.